Good evening, everybody. It's been too long since I've been out here with the camera. We'll start off with the Southwest. Literally got out here, turned the camera on, saw the plane, didn't even check flight radar. So who knows where this is going or coming from. But we're gonna say, hey, come back here real quick so I can say meow. Alright, here we go. The first Southwest was going from Denver to Austin. This one's coming from Dallas going to Colorado Springs. Meow. Oh man, we just missed a twofer. So the Frontier's right there. Let's see if we can get him real quick. He's going from Vegas to Atlanta. Meow. And then something cool happened. Let's see if I can go over here. We got a contrail. It just went and then fizzled out. And that contrail, see the plane's gone behind the bush already, so I can get it, was an American going from Kansas City to Phoenix. Ooh, another plane. Can we get it in this shot? Who's this? Private. Very nice. Meow. Oh, the trampoline's in the way. Come on, really? Check out these clouds. Cool differences in color there. So I'm a little irritated with our daily Prime Air flight. It went south of us today. The Cincinnati, really? Cool. To San Bernardino. It went south of us. Trying to evade. How rude. Alright, we have an American 737 going from Chicago to San Francisco. So I got a picture, but couldn't get decent video. I guess the trampoline got in the way. Of an Alaska 737, so you'll see the picture at least. Meow. Right, we have a United 737 going from Santa Ana to Newark. He's going cross country. Cool. Alright, couldn't get a picture of him just yet, but might not get a picture of him actually on this one. It's a United A319 going from Memphis to Denver. Meow. Just went behind the bush. Well, you saw it for a second. The bush is going to get too thick. There's a Delta pencil going from Phoenix to Atlanta. What do we find here? JetBlue A321 going from Boston to LA. JetBlue. Very nice livery though. Meow. Now look who we found. We found Prime Air going the opposite direction of what we usually have here on this channel. It's going from San Bernardino to Cincinnati behind Bushcam. It should go tell its friend that it was rude earlier. Alright, we have another United 737 going from Orlando to Denver. Might be getting closer to the end of the video here because our focus is having a hard time. Meow. Look at this tiny bird just hanging out in the shade. Very nice. Well folks, we're going to try and get an American 737 and we're going to try and get a United pencil, and then I think, unless anything super cool comes along, we'll call it there. I believe this is the American. Or from Santa Ana. Nope. from Dallas, Fort Worth, or Santa Ana. Meow. Alright, so we have United 737 from Miami to Denver. And that 75 should be coming over me just a minute here. So we're gonna say meow to this guy. You ready? Meow. Okay, here's our United pencil going from San Francisco to Newark. She's pretty. Meow. Folks, coming to you from 38,000 feet right here is the Southwest coming from Bewee, Baltimore, San Diego. Very nice. Meow. We have a contrail. And folks, I decided to wait and make this our last plane because we frustratingly, just missed two UPS planes. One was an MD-11 and one was a 767. He was north of us. He was a speck on the horizon, but I could see him with my eye. The camera could not pick him up though, unfortunately. So we'll wait for this guy to get closer and we'll hopefully get a good shot of him. Meow. Alright, I'm going to zoom out just a tad because I've noticed a trend to see. Oh, hang on. Turbulence. There you are. The closer they get to me, the less contrail they have. I'm not sure if this will be the case in this situation because he is at 40,000 feet. But still. Nah, it's close enough now. Look at that. And it still has a contrail, so guess who's wrong again? This guy. And he was coming from Louisville to the exotic destination of non-applicable. Anyway, this guy's going to go behind the bush here any second. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. I appreciate your patience. And yeah, stay well. Meow.